Hello dear fighters, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a very important matrix problem in C programming, how to print all boundary element of a matrix. This problem is extremely useful for beginners and also very common in exams, Viva and competitive programming. So make sure you watch the video till the end because I will explain the logic, the process and the code line by line in a video simple way. Okay, we are given a matrix with R number of rows and C number of columns. And now our task is to print only the boundary elements of the matrix. What are the boundary elements? Okay, boundary elements are all element of the first row, all element of the last row, all element of the first column, and last all element of the last column. All the inner elements should not be printed. Okay, let's go the code. At first, I include std file in main function. Now I declare some variables and a matrix. Okay, here are number of rows, are C number of columns, and 2D A is 2D array to store the matrix element. Okay, I just print enter number of rows and columns. Next, I scan from user %d and %d for row, column. Okay. Now I print enter elements of the matrix. Then I use two nested loop, one outer loop and one inner loop. My first loop is int I equals 0, then r, then I plus plus. And the second loop is int j equals 0, j less than c, then j plus plus. Okay, now I scan from user. So give the value of matrix and I address this with uppercase A, I, and J. I hope it was work perfectly. Next, I print all boundary elements of a matrix. Okay, and this line printed a heading before showing the output. It will help for beginner. And then I used again two nested loop, one outer. I repeat I equals 0, I less than r, and I plus plus. Next loop is int j equal 0, then j less than c, j plus plus. Now I give the condition if I greater than 0 and j greater than 0 and I less than r minus 1 and if j less than c minus 1, then print a space. Okay, next, if the element is inside the matrix, we print blank space. Otherwise, we print the element because it is a boundary element. Okay, else what I print percentage element of the matrix. Okay, I and j close. Now I print a new line doing perfectly. Okay, I just save it and run it. I hope it was running exactly correct way. Gives some time. Okay, enter row size and column size. Enter 4, 4. Sorry, let's give a space. It looks like wow. Okay, regular line. Just, oh, yeah, this look awesome. Okay, if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any confusion, feel free to ask in the comment. I will be happy to help. See you in the next problem solving video. Happy coding, keep fighting.